Hello everyone, si Juan Lu po. Kamusta po kayo? Andito kami ngayon sa Marinduque. Marinduque! Oy, andito ka pala, Tyler. Opo, andito po ako. Marinduque. Marinduque tayo ngayon. Dito po kami magpa-party. Marinduque. Pakita ko sa inyo Ano to? Medyo malayo yung nilakbay namin. Kita nyo ba yan? Giant size. Olympic size pala. Olympic size swimming pool. Hindi ho ito sa Chocolate. Sa Bohol Hindi ho ito sa Chocolate Hills Ayan ay Olympic size pool dito sa Marinduque. Santa Cruz, Marinduque. Ayan. Pakita ko sa inyo naman yung party namin. Ayan, so andito na tayo ngayon sa party area.
Party area?
Andiyan ka na naman, Tyler,
Uy, may music!
Ayan, napakaganda dito sa lugar na to Ito ay Santa Cruz, Marinduque. Ayan, ulitin ko po, nagtawid dagat kami dito. So from Antipolo, sinundo kami ng van. From Antipolo, dumiretso kami ng Lucena. At pagdating sa Lucena ay sumakay kami ng Roro. After 3 hours, nandito na kami sa Marinduque. Pero from Roro, from the port, bumiyahe pa kami ng 1 oras para makarating kami dito sa Santa Cruz. Okay, we'll see you later.
Are you looking for a fun and memorable way to celebrate your child's birthday? Look no further than Juan Lu's Puppet and Magic Show. Juan Lu, the Philippine ambassador of puppetry, brings forth moments that linger in the hearts of both kids and adults. His mastery in magic and party hosting, showcased in international events, promises an unparalleled experience. Step into the world of Juan Lu's Puppet and Magic Show and the enchanting Lunaria Marionette Show, where the fusion of puppetry and world-class magic unfolds. Imagine the laughter of your child blending with Juan Lu's infectious energy, igniting joy and camaraderie among everyone present. Elevate your kiddie party with Juan Lu's unique hosting style, turning ordinary moments into extraordinary memories. Don't miss this chance to weave cherished memories with Juan Lu's Puppet and Magic Show. Book now and gift your child a celebration filled with magic, laughter, and unforgettable moments.